Hey, what is up guys? Gian here of Gadget Pilipinas. Today, pag-uusapan natin ang top 5 na panalo features ng Infinix Note 40 Plus 5G. This phone is seriously impressive and packed with awesome features. Now, as someone who is always on the go, juggling work, gaming, and just living life, the Infinix Note 40 Plus 5G has been a game changer for me. So, let me break everything for you. But before we do, I would like to thank Infinix for sponsoring this video. So, some housekeeping lang, no? This video is not a review and this is mostly spoken in English and Tagalog. So, if you're watching from a different country, I'll do a bit of code switching here for our different audiences. Now, this has to be my number one favorite feature of this phone. Sobrang frustrating kapag mabilis malobat ang phones natin. We have all been in this situation and most of the time, wala pa tayong bit-bit na power bank when our phone gets this low battery warning. Importante na may mataas na battery capacity ang phones natin at mabilis at maraming ways para makapag-charge tayo. Ang Infinix Note 40 Plus 5G has this 100 watts all-round fast charge 2.0. Sabi ni Infinix, which I also tried, this can charge the phone from 0 to 50% in just 8 minutes. And it's not just about speed, no? It's also about convenience. Marami rin siyang charging mode options gaya ng hyper mode para sa mabilisang charge. Low temp mode to keep your phone cool to touch, no, while charging it, at saka smart mode which balances, no, yung charging speed at saka temperature. Doon ako sa smart mode kasi yun naman usually ang sakto sa needs ko when it comes to charging this phone. Pero kung meron ka lang na konting time, no, to charge your phone, you always have that hyper mode feature to rapidly charge your phone in 8 minutes, no, from 0 to 50%. So sobrang lupit nun. Now, the Infinix Note 40 Plus 5G also comes with 20 watts wireless mag charge, which is a total game changer for a phone that is less than 14,000 pesos. Yung mag kit na kasama nito, no, kapag binili mo, yung phone includes yung mag charge pad, no, which is this one, at saka yung magnetic phone case. Now, the display of this phone is really impressive, no? Yung size niya ay 6.78-inch 3D curved AMOLED panel with 120Hz refresh rate at 1300 nits of peak brightness. Everything looks so vibrant, smooth, at saka immersive whether you're watching movies, gaming, or just browsing through your photos. Meron din siyang 93.8% screen-to-body ratio, curved din yung gilid, no? Which gives you an almost borderless viewing experience. Honestly, kailangan natin ng mas malaking screen real estate for our games, streaming apps, and even pag-edit ng mga mobile videos on the go. We need our devices to keep up with our demanding lifestyles. Kaya nga naman ng Infinix Note 40 Plus 5G ay equipped with Dimensity 7020 5G chipset, ensuring lightning-fast speeds and seamless connectivity. And yes, 5G na rin ang phone na to, kaya pwede mong ma-maximize ang 5G network para mas mabilis ang internet mo. Now, whether you're streaming high-quality content, playing the latest games, or multitasking like a pro, this phone can definitely handle them. And with up to 24 gigs of extended RAM, you can run multiple apps simultaneously without any lag or slowdown. Pero syempre, dahil hindi pa to ang full review natin, you also have the option to wait for our full review. Sa full review namin ilalagay ang performance benchmarks at ano ang mga naging experience namin sa mga games na nilalaro namin. Now, as someone who loves capturing memories, sobrang panalo ang 108-megapixel main camera with OIS ng Infinix Note 40 Plus 5G sa ilang araw na gamit ko to. Crispy, no, at steady shots ang shots ko at ang 32-megapixel selfie camera naman niya ay sapat sa mga photo and video selfie needs ko. Meron pang flash sa harap. In fact, here's a sample video recording using the front camera of the Infinix Note 40 Plus 5G. At ito naman ang sample video recording using the rear camera of the Infinix Note 40 Plus 5G. At ito naman ako naglalakad using the Infinix Note 40 Plus 5G. Alam ko may 108 megapixel ang rear camera nito, no? But it's not just about the megapixels. The camera software is also packed with features like Super Night Mode for low light photography. Meron din siyang portrait mode for those beautiful bokeh shots. At saka even yung Sky Shop feature that lets you add rainbow, starry sky, or aurora effects to your photos. It's like having a portable photo studio in your pocket. Malamang, no, nakita nyo na rin ito sa ibang mga phones ni Infinix, no, at mas na-improve pa nito, no, dito sa Infinix Note 40 Plus 5G. Magiging available ang Infinix Note 40 Plus 5G sa Pilipinas sa April 25. Base sa mga na-experience ko for a short amount of time, this is shaping up to be a good phone to consider. Panalo ang features, especially yung battery at saka yung charging options at syempre, huwag kalimutan, no, yung camera performance na kakikita nyo lang kanina. Ngayon, kung gusto nyo malaman, no, kung saan pwede bumili, you can check out the links at saka yung mga details in the description or in our bio. So, there you have it. Ito ang mga top 5 panalo features ng Infinix Note 40 Plus 5G. Whether you're a power user, a mobile gamer, or just someone who appreciates a good value of a phone, this one has something for everyone. Our full review of the Infinix Note 40 Plus 5G will come out very soon, where you will see our full benchmark details, more sample photos, and our usual unbiased analysis of the product. Of course, you have the option to read that as well to keep you well informed about our full 2-week experience of the device before you make your purchase decision. That's it. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. If you are new to the channel and if you haven't subscribed, this is the best time to do so. This has been Gian. Catch you in the next one. Bye.